Okay, we have the Whistler CR97 now on. We're going to be making our approach to the MRCT system, but there's a sneaky little RedFlex system up here first. Very, very difficult to detect. I mean, it's just like crazy. There it is, and we're getting some detection there from the CR97, which looks to be in line with some of the other detectors. Very nice. But still, if you're speeding, you're not going to get much protection with any of these detectors, to be honest with you. It's pretty brutal. Okay, here we go.
K-band.
Wow. Now we're getting the FMCW data. Now we have the FDSR on to mute the source. We get a 3333. So we're muted right now, but we're still alerting. Signal strength 2, 1. Jumps around. 2, there we go, 217. '86. Now it's actually indicating a traffic camera up here. Needed to turn that off. Okay, passing the source. Right on. Then we get a 204 showing the FMCW source. And the Whistler provides certain data about how it's being modulated. I hope you enjoyed the test and the video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to us, we'll have more good stuff coming. Be sure to visit Radar Busters if you're looking to get any of these detectors. So again, take care. Thanks.